Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, Shopify giving you trouble? Are you having issues with your store not updating, products not appearing, or the checkout page freezing? Try these solutions. First of all, you need to restart the application. Do it like this and go to it again. If it didn't help you, try to ensure permissions are enabled. So go to the settings, applications, Shopify, permissions, and let's go like this. And go to Shopify again. So the next one, if it didn't solve your problem, try to reinstall the Shopify application. Let's go to Shopify, uninstall, and install it again. And let's go. So if even this didn't help you, you can try to check on Shopify servers if they are down or not. So we're going to the Google down detector and check for Shopify. So there are not Shopify in there because the down detector has not all the rights yet. But if you still have some problems, just try to check your internet connection like this, and if it's good, try to restart your phone, and this might help you to solve your problem. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.